Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to trade with three indicators. So one is zigzag. Here we have nothing to change and then don't change channel. Just change that value to 17. Then select stochastic oscillator. Okay, that's all. That's the all indicators we are using. And you can see here only $30 I have. Okay, just try to do some compoundings. Let's try to get some good opportunity. USD USD INR, USD TRY. Okay, I can take good opportunity here. I take up here. Okay, it's on. In here also I can take trade, and I take full amount here. Rest I take 30, then I want 55. Now I take that also. Okay, it's one. Then I have $99. I take next candle also. It's up. Okay, it's on. Now we have $191. We started with $30. I'll use all amount, $191. Okay, this should be up. Let's take it. Yeah, it's going. It's super win. Now I have 339. Already I earned $300. $46. Let's do last step. Okay, next scan. Yes, it's up. Yes, that's one, guys, that's one. So I started with only $30 and now it's $1,189. So you can see how is the history, how's the trades going on, and my rank is 36 and profit is 1,637, and today I already withdrew $500.